Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So y'all, I did a video earlier today kind of introducing you to some crafts that I had recently purchased and upgraded to make my idea of creating a barber shop for one of my upcoming doll houses. And I had some stuff coming in from Temu, and I didn't expect to get it until like next week, but I wound up getting it today. So I was like, okay, we still got the video set up done because we just got through doing the video. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing on here. So this one will be a true kind of unboxing video because I just got this stuff in, and y'all know me, usually I get it in and I play with it and I talk y'all through some of the stuff. But since I just got it and already had the film area set up, I was like, we're going to do it this way. So to start, we're going to start with this beautiful outfit that I have my president doll in right here. So first off, I got this from Temu. I will have the prices linked in the description box down below. This outfit is absolutely adorable. It is a skirt with a little halter top, and then it has the sleeves on the arm to go with it. So I actually bought this outfit for my Madam CJ Walker doll. I thought it would be really gorgeous on her. However, it doesn't fit. So Madam CJ Walker is a curvy doll, and I like to think of her as my slim, thick, curvy doll. And the skirt could fit. The sides could fit, but the top, unfortunately, does not have any Velcro. It is all elastic, and I could not squeeze Madam CJ through this top. So she will not be able to use this for now. I think what I will do, because I really want to use this for her, I bought it specifically for her. So I will probably alter this top and put some Velcro in the back, and then Madam CJ will be able to wear it. But I thought it was beautiful. And this one is a tad bit shorter than I thought it was going to be. However, my President Barbie doll right here is on the superhero body. And the superhero body is not the 11 and 3/7 of an inch as your typical Barbie dolls are. The superhero body, because it stands on the Barbie foot, it is actually right about 12 inches. So she is a little bit taller than the regular Barbie dolls and about the same size as a Barbie tall. So that's the outfit. Also, y'all see this beautiful hat? Yes. So I was able to find this hat on Temu as well. She looks beautiful and the color is great. Again, I bought this for my Madam CJ doll, hat included. So, but we're seeing it in all of its bliss and wonder that I thought it would be on my Madam CJ doll. This is the third time that I have tried to order hats from Temu. So just a recommendation, if you are ordering from Temu anything, dollhouse miniatures, plates, clothes, whatever, look at the measurements, get you out a ruler, measure it out on the actual doll or the actual place you want to put it, because what I be thinking in my head about what measurements are completely different than what come in as Temu. So you all have seen the first hat that I got that was big enough for a Rainbow High doll. The second hat I didn't even show you because it was too small for a Chelsea doll. And I went ahead and reordered a third time, and thankfully I had Goldilocks luck so that the third set of hats that I bought were just right. So I measured these out, had my husband draft it out on a sheet of paper, tested the doll with, his draft that he drew for me. And it is a little big. It is just a little bit, but it does fit, and I think it looks really nice, and it gives it kind of like a summery, I'm just out, I don't know, at the polo match, and then you put it in a winter outfit, and I think it'd be really nice, just kind of a nice little derby hat. All right, so that is this outfit. Again, it is absolutely beautiful. I hate that it doesn't fit my Madam CJ doll. I think this would be beautiful on her slim, thick frame, but we're going to try to fix that top and see if we can get it to work, because that is what I ordered that for, hat included. All right, so going on with the hat. So I got the hat in a beige. I also got it in chocolate brown. Let me take it out of here so you can see it in the chocolate brown. And since this time, each other time I've only ordered one because I wasn't sure on the size. But this time, since my husband and I tested it and we knew it was going to be pretty good, I went ahead and ordered extra. So I got that in a brown to go with that. And then y'all, of course, I had to get it in your traditional black. So there you go. So we got a hat for summer, spring, and fall there. I absolutely love it. I wish they looked more like fedoras or even a cowboy hat or even maybe just a flat top kind of nice hat. But with different dolls and different hairstyles and different hair textures and different amounts of hair, I think these hats will go really good and I'll be able to use them for a lot of my dolls in the collection. So that is it for the clothing items. So this was a smaller haul because I just ordered a few things, trying to again to get these hats in the right size for an idea that I have, and then getting that dress for my Madam CJ doll. So the next thing I'm going to show you is this thing. It is just a little piece of wall decor that I got. It's supposed to look like a bookshelf, but it is 2D, as you can see. And they come in letters. So, of course, I got J for Jessica. So you get your little gold string, and then you get this decal. This is what it looks like. And I figure it was super cute online, and I figure having that up on the wall, it would look like a 3D bookshelf, even though it is 2D. And it was really cute, a decent price. Again, the prices will be linked in the description box down below. But as I've been growing as a diorama creator over this last year with YouTube, I've noticed that my clutter game has really upped as far as like setting up the rooms and making them look good. But my wall art was lacking. I have like 4 or 5 pictures that I kind of, maneuver with a lot. So I wanted to get more stuff that was either picture or wall decor so that my rooms don't look bare as they have been here recently. But I like that. I will see how it works in the dollhouse once I get it hung up and see how I like it, to determine if I'm going to order more, because again, I thought this was cute with that kind of 3D bookshelf effect. So that's adorable. And then the next thing I got, again, y'all know this is a true unboxing video because I just got this stuff in. I got this lamp. It says it is my lamp, mini LED lamp. So I haven't even opened this. I'm going to open it here with y'all. Ooh. And I'm going to drop stuff like I always do. So, got that figured out. All right, got it together. So here is the little lamp together. It is supposed to actually work. Oh, it does. Yeah, that's a pretty good little light there, y'all. And if you were looking dead at the camera then, I am so sorry. Was not thinking. But I was like, that shines a pretty good amount of light. Like you can see that on the doll back there compared to no light with adding some light. So I thought this was cute. I got it in black. Does seem to have good movement to it. I've looked at these before and then I've put them in my cart before and then I've taken them out because I always prioritize what I want. And this time I was like, no, I'm going to get this lamp because I have passed it up too many times and I still think it is great. So I'm glad I did get that. Let's put that right there. And then put my little decor right there so we can see all of the things that I'm actually using for this unboxing. And then we have just a couple of more things that goes specifically with this idea theme that is back here behind me. Let me fix my camera a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to readjust because I like for y'all to see what we've talked through. There you go. Okay, so the next thing I got is for my barbershop idea. There are 4 actual things, but they are 2 apiece. So I'm just going to show you the 2 of them. Let me get them both out of the wrapper. This is probably the quietest y'all have ever heard me on a video, just trying to open something up, which is probably why I don't do unboxings that often. All right, so here we go. So these next 2 things, these are officially keychains that I ordered, but I ordered these keychains to go with my barbershop idea. So the first keychain that I found and ordered is an actual hair clipper. I think it is cute. I was looking through Temu. This actually popped up after I had got my Naturalista doll right here, which y'all know we have named Greg in the Curated Dollhouse, but he is the Naturalista. Sorry, he is the Naturalista Greg doll, and we named him Craig for our dollhouse. So I got this to go with him. I thought it was a great little thing. To tell the truth, it does seem to be a bit big. Okay, there you go. That's it compared to the size of the doll. Let's get his hand properly set up here, and I'm gonna hold it. So there you go. It is a little big for the doll, but I figure it can work. I mean, hair clippers come in different sizes. I think that is a good size. It definitely will draw your attention to it if you see it in a picture and it's supposed to be in a barbershop that he's got some clippers. So I thought that was a good little idea there. Let's see if I can get him to stand a little closer. There we go. So yeah, I thought this was super cute. Again, prices will be in the description box. Because I set up two stations, this one over here and this one, I went ahead and ordered two. I figured it would be, two would be a good amount to have in the dollhouse without making it, you know, too busy in my diorama. And then the second keychain has a pair of scissors. It has a hair dryer and it has a little comb. And yes, y'all, those teeth do seem to be bent. Both of mine came in like that. They are individual. You can bend them back pretty easily. However, I'm actually going to leave it like this because I think it makes it look a bit more realistic, like you've been combing through some hair when the teeth are bent. But I also got these to go with the barbershop idea. And I love the color, gives it a little realism to it. I do have some combs and some hair dryers, but they are the Barbie centric ones. Fantastic plastic. Thankfully, I do have white ones instead of just pink, but I figure in this diorama, I wanted something that would look a bit more realistic. So that's why I went ahead and ordered these keychains. Again, prices will be in the description box down below. So actually, I'm going to put this one on this hand. Can you hold that for me, Craig? Thank you. Okay, so y'all, that is it for my Temu haul. That is it for items I'm going to share with you all for my Temu haul. I did order one other thing, and that was a clothing outfit for myself. I have ordered costume jewelry from Temu. I've also ordered a few clothing items. I've been satisfied with the things that I've gotten, but I usually only show y'all the things for the dollhouse instead of the costume jewelry and stuff like that because everybody's taste is different. But y'all, I hope y'all have enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm so glad that the stuff came in earlier than expected. I didn't actually expect to get this until Halloween. But since it came in today and I already had the setup done, I was like, yes, we're going to go ahead and do this now. So if I had to pick a favorite out of all of the items that I got this time from my Temu haul and have covered with you all in this unboxing video, one of the few that I actually do, I would have to say my favorite items are the hats. And that is because I have been trying. It's been at least 2 or 3 months, y'all, no lie. I have been trying a couple of times to find proper size Barbie hats for an idea that I was trying to do that didn't wind up working out. It was the treasure hunt theme. And since I didn't get the right hat, it had to adjust. And then it didn't work out and it had to adjust. So that treasure hunt theme is the one that actually kind of morphed into the Jazz Club diorama. If y'all have had a chance to see that, if you haven't, I recommend you check it out. I love sharing my dioramas and dollhouse ideas with y'all, especially because the curated dollhouse is so big. We have 64 inches on the top, so it's 60 by 16 inches on the top floor. It is 60 by 22 inches on the bottom floor. So we have a lot of space to use in our curated dollhouse. So I love coming up with all of these big, huge ideas to share with you all. But yeah, if I had to say number one, definitely be the hats because I finally got them in a size that works with my dolls and I've been waiting for months. And then if I had to pick a second one outside of the hats, because I know I've wanted hats for a while, I would say my other favorite item would have to be this outfit. I had started to order it a couple of times and then passed it and then went to order it and then passed it up. And then after I got my Madam CJ doll, I was like, oh, Madam CJ will be fabulous in this outfit. So I went ahead and ordered it for her. And lo and behold, it didn't come in perfect. So again, we're gonna have to do some finagling on this top to have it fit my curvy Madam CJ. But the outfit is still beautiful, and I'm really glad that I got that beige hat to go with it, because it really gives it the full aesthetic that I wanted it to have. And I just think it's adorable. So there y'all go. I'm so glad y'all were here with me today for this unboxing. I also recommend, if you haven't checked it out, please take a look at my diorama video. Well, I guess it is. But please take a look at my haul video, is actually what it is, where I talk about the new dolls that we've gotten and the barbershop idea and where that came from. So you can see why I ordered some of these things, like this clippers. Again, just like super adorable. I cannot wait till we get to that idea and I get to share it with you. But for now, again, because I always go way longer than I expect to, I'm going to hush. Thank y'all for visiting the Curated Dollhouse and seeing me, Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. We will be back next week with a whole new video and a whole new concept. Bye, y'all.